Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Expert Edit mode, you have access to various panels. Panels can appear in tabbed groups or independently, floating over the image area. They can also appear at the right side of the application window in an area known as the panel bin. Panels contain features and functions grouped for easy access. Panels let you select which layer of a photo to edit, apply effects, and perform other activities you would otherwise have to perform through the menu bar, tool options bar, or toolbox. You can select Window from the menu bar, and then select the name of a panel shown in the drop-down menu to both show and hide a panel. You can select Window Panel Bin from the menu bar to show and hide the panel bin at the right side of the application window. To adjust the width of the panel bin, hover your mouse pointer over the left side of the panel bin until the pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow. Then click and drag to make the panel bin the desired width. To create a custom workspace that lets you display multiple tabbed panels in the panel bin and create your own panel groups, click the small arrow next to the More dropdown below the panel bin in the taskbar and select the Custom Workspace command. To switch between panels in the panel bin, click the tabs at the top of the panel bin. This gives you more flexibility in arranging your workspace. When you create a custom workspace, you can collapse and expand each panel by double-clicking the panel's tab name. You can move a panel tab by clicking and dragging the panel's tab name and then releasing it in the desired location on screen. At the right end of every tab name, you can click the More drop-down button to view the options for the currently displayed panel. A custom workspace lets you arrange the panels as you wish. You can click and drag panels into separate panel groups by clicking and dragging a panel's tab name between the panel tabs on screen. This lets you group together panels you use frequently. To resize a panel group, place your mouse pointer over the edge of a panel group, and then click and drag when you see the double-pointed arrow pointer appear. To reset the appearance of the panels, select Window, Reset Panels from the menu bar. To switch back to the basic workspace, click the More drop-down button in the taskbar and select the Basic Workspace command.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.